Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have one math expression here. 17 minus 9 times 2 divided by 3. Maybe you solve this math expression like this. 17 minus 9 gives us 8, and 8 times 2 gives us 16, and 16 divided by 3 gives us 16 over 3. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS that is here, we have to solve this math expression like this. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. As we know, multiplication and division are equally important, and we have to solve this math expression from left to right. Now we have one multiplication here at first. 9 times 2 gives us 18, and now 18 divided by 3 gives us 6. Now we have 17 minus 6. 17 minus 6 gives us 11. The final answer is 11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.